If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Amazon Prime, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your Amazon account is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your account, navigate to your account, and select your payments to review your payment methods. Step 2. Update billing information. If your payment method has expired or changed, update your billing information. In the New Payments section, select the payment method you want to update and enter the new details. Step 3. Verify address information. Make sure that the billing address associated with your payment method matches the address on file with your bank or credit card company. Discrepancies can lead to payment declines. Step 4. Contact your bank or card issuer. Sometimes banks or credit card companies may block transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or card issuer to ensure that there are no holes or issues with your account. Step 5. Reach out to Amazon customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment declines on your Amazon Prime account. If issues continue, consider checking for any additional account restrictions or seeking further assistance.